Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be making rice. In fact, we are using rice for our hair growth. So this is another episode of how to grow long and take natural hair with Ahema. So if you haven't subscribed already, I would advise you to subscribe, and then you can go and check the previous videos that I have already posted on my channel. So today we are going to be making rice. So I don't want to have braid on my hair, and I want to do a deep conditioning. In fact, I wanted to treat my hair very well before I put this braid on. So I decided to do this rice keratin for my hair. You know how natural hair is very hard, so just a little touch up to the hair to soften my hair, and then I can go ahead and then do my braid. So this is a half cup of rice, and I'm going to cook it semi-cooked. Do not cook it fully, cook it. So semi-cooked it, and then so let's say I put it on the fire for about 10 to 5 to 10 15 10 5 any minute, but make sure that the rice is not fully cooked, so semi-cooked rice. And then I'm going to take it off from the fire, and then I will put it in my blender. So you know how it goes. I don't like doing my hair without aloe vera, because I have a lot of aloe vera in my possession and I really want to make good use of it. So I added some aloe vera juice, and this juice was very slimy. I couldn't even squeeze it. I couldn't even scratch the juice from this plant. It was very juicy. I don't know whether because I didn't put it in water. So after struggling to get the juice from this plant, this is what I had, so I'll put it in. And this is my DIY. Why am I making mistakes? This is my DIY oil, hair growth oil. I already have the video. Please do, oh god, so please do not ask me what did you use for the oil. I already have the video, you can check it. So I added some oil to my mixture, and I blend it off camera. So when I was blending, it was kind of difficult, so I was adding a little bit of water. I didn't want this to be very light, because I think I've tried this before and it was so light, so I didn't like the consistency by then. So I wanted this one to be very thick. So now I have some honey. Is going to actually add some shine to my hair. So it's going to give my hair some bright colors, So the people that have been asking me, your hair is so beautiful. Okay, so my secret is using honey. So if you want your hair to be very beautiful, then you should try using honey to your recipes or to your DIY. So add a teaspoon honey to my mixture, and this is how it looks. Very cute. In fact, it was looking so eatable, but the truth is I didn't like the smell, because like some rice, cooked rice, that kind of smell, I really didn't like it. So now I'm going to apply this on my hair. I don't know why I'm making mistakes. Why am I making mistakes? Okay, so what I'm saying is, this conditioning was just to soften my hair. In fact, that was the main idea, to soften my hair. So if you used rice before on your hair, using rice as a keratin on your hair, you see that when you use this thing on your hair, it's going to soften the hair. In fact, the hair is going to loosen up. So it's going to soften, it's going to straighten. So if you're the type that love using heat for your hair, I will advise that you stop using heat. You can actually try this keratin for your hair, and it's going to soften your hair. It's going to straighten your hair. So move away from heat and then try this recipe. It's so nice for the hair. So I was just doing this so that I can loosen my hair, since I'll be the one braiding my own hair, and I know it's going to take quite some time to complete my hair. So I decided to make my hair softer, so that it will be easy for me to do what? Braid my hair. Oh, don't worry, I already have the videos all piled up, so you are still going to be getting your videos every week In fact, the hair growth videos, you're going to be getting it every week, because I already planned for this, and I didn't want my braided hair to be an obstacle for my hair growth videos. So when you use this on your hair, you see that the hair relaxes. It's like, I don't know, those who have been using this, is a natural hair cream to do what? I heard there's this one natural hair cream that they use to soften the hair. I think this is the natural hair cream. Maybe they are not telling you, because this thing, when I used this on my hair, was like, what? My hair just loosened up. It was like, no, take me, just use me for whatever that you want to use me for. But this hair changed totally. Like, it softened, it was so relaxed, like it gave up. Yes, it gave up. I just so love how this rice mask did to my hair. Yes, and I think I'll be doing it often, because my hair is very, very hard. I really have a very hard hair. Yeah, so I remember one lady keep on asking me, how do you do natural with this hard hair of yours? And I said, girl, if you really want to do it, you would do it. So that is what has been motivating me. But the truth is, my hair is very hard. So since I started using this rice, and I realized that this rice is actually going to do a good work for my stubborn hair, I think it's going to be part of my routine, because this thing actually did a very great thing to my hair. My hair was so relaxed. My hair was like, okay, I've given up, use me however you want to use me. So the main reason for this keratin is to soften my hair. I've already said that. So aside from this going to soften my hair, rice water for hair growth, rice water for this, rice water for that, this is also like a protein treatment. And since I already added hair growth oil to it, this is going to help grow this hair. It's going to strengthen my hair. In fact, anything that is going to help grow this hair, this keratin is going to do. Just look at this. You can just see how the hair has relaxed. It's like I'm using relaxer for my hair. Yes, because when I first used it, I was like, why do people use relaxer for their hair? In fact, the one they say natural hair relaxer, do you even need it? I don't think we actually need it. So you can do this one instead of going for a relaxer. So now I put this in my rubber for about 30 minutes. So I said 30 minutes, but I had to really attend to a lot of things. So I will put this on for about 30 minutes, or maybe when I finish with whatever I'm doing. So I'll put it on and then I'll get back to you. So this is about some few minutes, I don't know, but it's more than 30 minutes. Yeah, that thing is cassava. Yeah, so I went to peel my cassava because time was running out, and this thing was taking my whole time. I need to wash this, and it's going to actually take me about 1 hour to wash my hair, because my hair is dense. And so after washing, I actually washed this hair with my black shampoo. I already have a video, so you can do it to check it. So this is after washing. You see my hair is compressed, and every natural hair lady knows about it. Anytime there was water in the hair, it compresses. So you have to detangle the hair and then bring it back to life. So I'll go ahead and spray some hair growth spray on my hair. I already have a video of that one too. So I was supposed to do this in the bathhouse, but I said no, what happens to my viewers? So I brought this here on camera, so you can see that even after washing my hair, I did a hair growth spray on my hair, and this is going to promote hair growth very quickly. So I'll quickly spray my hair growth on my hair, and then I'm going to use my hands to detangle it, and then I'll go ahead and add my moisturizer. Yes, I have a video of the moisturizer as well. Then I'm going to comb it through. So this is it for this keratin and this. So I think the next day I went ahead with my braiding, and I already have a video of braiding, of how I braided my hair. Yeah, so you can also check it if you're curious about what kind of braid did she do. Did she actually do that braid? Yes, I did it myself, you know. I know we are concentrating on growing this hair, but girl, the hair has ended and then you need to look cute. So this is my hair. I'll just go and then take this twist off, yeah, and just look at my hair. You know how the hair is growing is just marvelous. I really love it. I hope you're going to give it a try. So if you have this stubborn or head hair, you can do this keratin, okay, once a while. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, like this video, leave your comments, guys, leave your comments, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.